Alright, we're here at Lake Mcswain at our campsite. Pretty good little spot. My JetBoil transducer mount didn't hold up, so that's interesting. Have to figure out a way to stick this on here to use the fish finder. Alright, we dropped the boat off, drove it over here to the shore. I think I got the Jeep pretty level on with the rock on the passenger side. Empty this thing out. Get our deep sleep air mattress set up. Start setting up camp. Alright, there it is. That's what we're sleeping on tonight for the first time, full time. Alright guys, we're on the water. Got camp all set up. Start camp back over there. Gonna do some trolling first. See how that goes for tonight. Steelhead slammer spinner. I'll pull a ultralight minnow. Hopefully we'll be back with some fish. On the steelhead slammer spinner.
That one, the pink and one? Hmm? Pink and purple one?
Yep. Now we picked it out. Down, Ellie?
Oh, I can see it.
There we go. Ramen. There he goes. That's a beverage trolling for about 20 minutes. This spinner goes down kind of deep, so about 15 feet or so. Let's try to get another one. Alright, we got back from fishing, got that one fish trolling on the steelhead slammer. That was about it. Let's get some dinner going. It's simple tonight. Some hot dogs. Some Caspers. Some relish. Mustard. Ketchup. go. Right fishing. Got that one. Water's a little muddy. Tomorrow I'm gonna go fishing in the morning. I'm not sure what tactics we should use. Maybe we're fast trolling today, 2.5 to 3. Might try trolling slower. If that don't work, 'cause the water's kind of muddy, we'll go bait fishing. All I have is power bait though. I left the worms at home. We had some night crawlers. I like to use night crawlers a lot. But they're at the house, so not gonna do us any good here. We'll give it a try. Getting pretty cold already. It's supposed to get down to 30s tonight. Alright, dinner's ready. Time for a beverage. Got Blue Star from North Coast Brewing Company. They're up there off Fort Bragg. Been there a few times. It's pretty good. Never had this one before. Though it says it's a wheat beer. Choicest barley and wheat malts are combined with a blend of American hops and to create light-hearted, refreshing beer. Blue Star is unfiltered the yeast, adding a complex note to the flavor profile. Doesn't say what the percentage is, but I'm gonna say it's probably around 6. It's very drinkable. How's your dinner?
Good.
Think you're gonna stay warm tonight? All right. You ready to hit the fishing again in the morning? All right, sounds good to me. A storm came in last night, about 3. The wind's been blowing about 20-30 miles an hour. Raining off and on. So I don't think we're going to be fishing this morning. Pretty nasty. Fun part is got to get the boat out of here to the dock, way over there, then walk back to the Jeep. And drive over there and put the boat on the trailer, so hopefully it don't rain on us too hard. I was hoping this weather would die down, but I don't know. with some ducks. Heard coyotes last night. It was pretty cold, and then this cloud cover came in and it warmed up a little bit. Still cold though. Slept all right till about 3 o'clock. Then the wind kind of kept me up and down. 7 now. Probably gonna go get this boil in the trailer while the rain's not too hard. And I don't know, we might leave, or maybe we'll make some breakfast. We'll see. Getting a little sporty out here. Got the boat on the trailer successfully. Gonna make some hot cocoa. We're gonna try this JetBoil for the first time. I'll put some water in there. Oh, no. It's fine. Bought one of these stabilizer things and look, it was hiding in the cap. Alright, turn it on. That's like self-igniter. There we go. Oh, there it is, it's on. Water, has some hot cocoa. I'm gonna have
With marshmallows.
Coffee. Alright, got our water boiling. Got hot cocoa for Allie. I'm gonna try this Cafe Bustelo. I've never had instant coffee before. Try it out. This is product of Mexico. Doesn't say what the caffeine content is though. Smells pretty good. Okay. See your spoon? Oh, the wind's still blowing. It's a little lighter than it was. Probably could have gone fishing, but yeah. Hasn't really rained yet anymore, so that's good. Damn wind. Hot. Careful. Yeah. Let's see. Not horrible. Pretty decent actually. Alright, let's make some ramen for breakfast. breakfast?
I like it.
Soup will bring you back. Only thing I forgot to bring was the garlic. Cut up some garlic cloves and put them in there. Ready to go home soon, or yeah? Oh, it's good. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, that's it for this trip. See you guys next time.